Hello.
Hey guys, I'm back. So nobody joined. Actually, I messaged in group, but still. Okay, let's okay. That's okay. Let's start. Okay. Anybody tried this Dex? Hmm?
Yes, I will practice it on the.
Hemlata, right?
Yes, Lokesh.
So you got result?
Yes, Lokesh.
Okay, good. So I think so. Dex steps, right? So Dex is a part of it. CICD. Okay. So let me close this. Yes. So first of all, for Dex, first of all, we have to go to the execution list. Okay. In the first of all, we have to ready with the test cases. Am I right? Okay. So just ready with the test case, any test case, whatever the test case, just this that is a test case, maybe open URL or it may be some different uh, Amazon product or demo web shop, login, register, doesn't matter. Okay. That is just a one test case should be ready. Okay. Example, I have already shown you in the previous class. Example, this is a one test case. Okay. Next one is execution list. In the execution list, you need to create one. Okay. What is this? Execution list. This one. Okay. This is folder, execution list, and this is execution. Okay. This
Lokesh,
is
sorry to interrupt you. Recording, Lokesh. Please start recording.
oh. Okay. Mm, all right. So I'll repeat
Recording
again.
in progress.
I'll repeat again for record. So what I was trying to say is, first of all, before going to Jenkins, first of all, we have to set up with the Dex. Okay. So first of all, index Dex architecture. So all this. I already explained this architecture. Okay. First of all, let us go through with this architecture. First, you need to create. Okay, this is workspace. You know how to create workspace. First, you need to ready with the commander. Okay, one workspace. Next, you need to be ready with another workspace, AOS workspace. Okay, so for this both workspace, one workspace should be common. Okay, that is called as common repository. So I'll show you in my local system. In the C drive, if you go to the projects, you see the TOSCA common repository. Clear? So this is common repository I created. Okay, and I connected with this common repository with this current TOSCA commander and also another automation object. I'll show you that also. Workspaces. Can you see AOS workspace 2? Can you see AOS workspace? This is AOS workspace, and another one is Tricentis workspace name. I'll show you here. What is that common Rio some Dex workspace one? Okay, I'll show you that also. This one. Okay, these two workspaces are there. Okay, these two workspaces are I connected with the common repository. Clear? So first, whenever you create common repository, so whenever you're trying to create AOS workspace, you can use common workspace. While you are trying to create, it will ask existing repository, which is common repository. So you should ready with all this setup, right? So next, first TOSCA, Tricentis TOSCA commander workspace is ready. Next, AOS workspace I will show you. Okay, let us open localhost. Excuse me. Okay, can you go to the settings? Here AOS object is there, left side. Okay, so admin, I know password. You type your password, but by default it is admin password, admin login, email ID, and admin password. Okay, next one is, you see, go to the AOS object service. Okay, see AOS workspace 2. Okay, so how I got it, all these details, I just added new, and whatever here, just CC repository type I am doing in my local, that is the reason I selected SQLite, right? Next one is project root name, in the sense, you know, this one project root name is this one project. Just to select, click on the home page and click on project. Okay, whenever you click on project, automatically it will show this. So this is your, you can you see FNF2, just simple FNF2. Copy this name and you paste there in the here. So what is this workspace name? What is the workspace name? Workspace name is, go to the workspace, AOS workspace. Okay, why I am saying AOS workspace, in the sense, which workspace this is? Where we are currently, we are in automation object services. So this workspace I am saying, so you need this workspace, not this. Okay, so you need this workspace. That is the reason I copy this name, FNF2, copy this name, simple, pasted in the here workspace name. That's it. Next to credential, this is local, user admin and password, and after that you save. Automatically it will restart. Okay, so this is a Dex setup. Any doubts here? Any doubts here? Dex, how many people done Dex? Have you tried with the Dex or not? Okay, next to click on distribution execution. So agent view, event view will be there. I am repeating Dex again. Okay, so I already completed Dex, you know already. So again I am repeating, just you need to understand. Okay, so this is agent view. How you need to check with this agent view? Go to the execution. Okay, first of all you need to set up with the configuration. Clear? What is that? This is a configuration. See, you don't have any configuration right now. 0000. Configuration number of agent is connected with the 0. Clear? So you need to make this 1, in the sense you need to connect with the Dex. Dex in the sense Dex server. What is that? This one. You need to connect with the agent. So for that, what we have to do? You just need to right click on this and click on refresh agents. Then you will connect with this. And before that, what you have to do is you will see the test events. In this test events, you just create one folder. That is folder name is XYZ. I just kept Dex login test. Okay. So after that, you just simply drag this any workspace. I mean any agent. Okay. Drag this and drop on top of this. Drag this and drop on top of this. After that, execution Amazon Dex is there, right? This execution list, whatever you want to run your test cases, just drag this and drop on top of this any. Understood? So that is what this one. That's what I am saying. You see, this is the one. Just I dragged it. Simply you can drag. Okay, simply you can drag and drop here. Understood? So that is what the same name you can see here. First of all, I need to configure. Just simply right click on this and refresh agents. Clear? You should connect. It should connect. Okay. Duplicate. Go to home page. So I did not check it out. That's why it's not worked. Again, you check out tree. So checkout is important, guys. Okay. So I'll show you. I already recognized my mistake again. So now you right click and refresh the agents. You will get one here. One. Any connection, any one, you will get one. If you see that only, which means it is connected. Refresh agents again. Execution models.
Notice you didn't save the module in the AOS.
Yeah, it is there. It is there actually. AOS, right? Sorry, in settings. Go to settings, automation. This is automation object service. This is there, right? Already. AOS workspace. Shall we restart again? Let us restart. It is restarting. Hemlata, you got this right?
Yes, Lokesh.
Yeah, restarted successfully.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's close this. Again, go back to the TOSCA. Let's try to refresh agents. That's okay. It's not showing why today. That's okay. Let us try again. Right click on this. Okay. Okay. So this is all set up actually. Let me check. Okay. First of all, let me go back to the here. Let me open this. So once after setting up all the deck setup, you need to go to the um, Google. Okay, open the Google. So here you need to download Java JDK. Java JDK. What is JDK? Java Development Kit. JDK means. So which one? 21. Just install or download it. So better you go to Oracle. Okay. So here, you see here, yours is Windows, right? So here you see Java JDK. Okay. MSI installed, Windows 64 MSI installed. You can, if you click on this, automatically you can download. Clear? Okay. So after downloading that, so if you click on this, you can see it will download. Can you see here? It will download like this. I already downloaded. That's the reason I'm not downloading it again. So after downloading this, what you have to do is go back to the downloads. Okay. See here. So Java JDK. So it will be like this. Okay. So you need to install this. Okay. So the software already has been installed. Yes, I already installed. That's why. After installing that, you just go to the C drive. In the C drive, you go to the programming files. You somewhere you see the Java programming files, Java. You see Java. Open this Java JDK. Copy this path. Okay, and go to the environment variables. Just click on Start button on your keypad. Okay, environment variables. Click on this. Select environment variables. You see this is user variables. Okay, so take new. Okay, paste the variable path here, and you can give the name Java underscore home like this. Okay, next click on OK. Right, it will be like this. Clear? Same you do here also. Clear? Take new, paste here, click Java underscore home. Okay, home. Next click on OK. So it will be like this. So the system variables is not mandatory, but you should do in user variables this Java home. Okay, but I habituated to keep the both all. It doesn't matter if you keep both. Okay, next one is path. Path. Double click on this. Just double click on this. You need to add here also. What to add here? Go to the C drive. Here, go to the bin. Earlier you were not into bin. Okay, now you copy this path. Copy this path and go to the environment variables here and take new like this and you paste here. So that is what this is. So this is a prerequisite. Okay. This is a prerequisite. Okay. After that, okay. After that, you need to restart the system, but just wait. You can restart it later. So this is a prerequisite. This is the first thing. And next one is, so you need to download Jenkins. Okay. You need to download the Jenkins. So go to Google, download Jenkins. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so yours is Windows. You just click on Windows. Automatically it will download. See here, it will download here. I'll stop here because I already have. Same. When it will directly, whenever you click on this, one second. Whenever you click on this window, automatically it will download. You don't need to do anything. Simple. Okay, next to go to the downloads. I have already installed. How I installed in the sense it will show already it is installed. Okay. Next. You need to go to the next. Anybody have system ready right now? Anybody? Guys.
Yes, I have Lokesh.
Please share your screen. Tanmay, is that
Yeah.
you? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Please share your screen. I'll stop sharing my screen.
Let me know once it's visible.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. Jenkins download.
Yeah, please. Before that, you just download. I think Java JDK. Yeah. Java
It's already in my system.
That's good. Yeah, Jenkins download. That's it.
This one?
No, just below. It's okay. Scroll down. Yeah, you can from here also you can do. Scroll down. Yeah, click on this Windows. Yep. Automatically it will download. No need to do anything. Go to downloads. Let us wait until it's download. So for TOSCA server, which port you are using, Tanmay? TOSCA server, which port you are using? Just can you go to the browser? In the browser, take new tab. Type localhost. Localhost. No space. No, not like that. Just localhost :80 in the colon 80.
80. This one.
Not 8080. Just only 80. We should not Google in the Google actually. We should not use this. We should you should type in the URL box. Not in the Google.
Where?
You copy that localhost and paste in the URL is there, right? Already existed Google URL is there, right?
Yes. This one.
No, the above. I'm saying what I can call that. Yes, there. Yes, there. URL box is there, right?
Yeah.
Tab and
Yes, here. Yes, correct. What I can call, I don't know. Just enter. Yeah, nothing is there on 80, which means you did not install TOSCA server.
No, TOSCA server is not installed.
Yes. So if you install TOSCA server, by default it will take localhost 80. Okay. So if anybody did this, you just guys try to use 8080 port for Jenkins. Okay. So for Tanmay case, Tanmay can able to use 80. Okay, or else if Tanmay want to use other port like 8080 or 90 or some other, yes, he can use. Yes, double click on this Jenkins, Tanmay. Yeah, next. Let us go slow. Yes, next. It is a path, and you need to select the first one because we don't have any domain right now because we are not dealing with any company. So we are doing in our local. So that is the reason just run the service in local system. Next, yes, wait here. Just it is automatically by default it is asking 8080. We can use it. Test port, because if there is any port on top of this, if it is useful for other, so it will show here. Is it available or not? Click on test port. Yes, it is available. So you can click on next. Yes, next. Yeah, which means here it is telling Java JDK is not available. Okay, Java version 21 and 25 or 25 is not available. So let us download Java JDK again.
This one, na?
Yes. Is that 21? Yeah, it is 10 to 20.
Yeah,
Yes.
21.
You just close this. No, not. You already did not install, right? Just go to the
No,
download
I
right
already
now.
installed because
Okay.
I just checked which version is there.
Okay. Understood. Just check it once. Actually, Jenkins it is specifically asked 25, 21 actually.
Hmm.
So you can open terminal and you can use Java and hyphen version. No space. No space after hyphen. It is there 19.
19.
Actually, we need 21.
Yeah.
So if you can download 21 automatically, it will replace. Don't worry. Yeah, next. Click on next. Not required this actually. Can you again close this? Yeah, successfully installed. Go to the C drive. Programming files.
See. On program file, this one or below one?
First one. I'm saying. Yes, Java. Java is the right. Yeah,
Yes.
copy that path. Go to 21. 21. I'm saying. Yeah. Now copy the path. Yeah, copy this path. Go to environment variables. Not here. You just click start button. Yes, environment variables. Type environment variables. Yes, that is the one. Click on that and click on environment variables. The below one. Yes, and here take new. First one user variable for Lenovo. Yeah, click on that. Paste in the second one. Paste in the value. Yes. Now variable name you can use Java underscore home. No, capital. Keep in capital. Title, right? This is Java underscore home. Yes. Okay. Click on OK. Do same in system variables also. Take new.
Same name.
Yes, same name. And paste in, yes, and go to the path in the system variables. Just type P. Yes, double click on this. Yeah, click on new. Okay, now go, no, wait. Now go to the C drive. Yeah, click on bin, go inside bin. Yeah, copy the path now. Copy the path and go to the environment variables. Yeah, take new now. Yeah, paste here. Okay. Okay. And again here, okay. Okay. So now you just cancel the Jenkins. It won't recognize. So until it finishes. Okay. You have to cancel that existed one. You have to do it from the scratch again. Yes, cancel. Yes. Again, go back to the downloads.
The local
Yes.
system. Next.
Test code. Yes.
Next.
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 Yes. Next.
Next.
Install. Wait. Finish.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, wait. Now go to the your Google. Go to your Google. Take new tab. Close this Java downloads and all. Yes. Now type localhost :8080. Yeah, enter. No, not like that. Okay, no, there only you have to do it. No, you should not search anywhere in Google. You should type there itself.
Here.
Yeah, try again there. No. I'm not saying that, Tanmay. There in the sense, URL box is there, right?
Yeah.
There
you
only.
are-
Yes, here only. Yes. Wait. It should be there only. Yes. Copy
Yes.
that path. Copy that path.
This one.
Yes, red one, red color. Copy that. Go to C drive. Paste there. Paste
Here.
there. Yeah. Yes. Paste there. Enter. Enter. Open in Notepad. Just once. Okay. Copy that. Password. Go again there. Jenkins. Paste in the admin password. Yes. Next. Close that window. Yeah. No, don't save that. Okay. No, thanks. Okay. So here this window. Just wait. Don't click on anywhere. So here this is showing that first one is actually install suggested plugins, which means by default plugins automatically it will get. Second one is you can choose your own plugins. No need to choose own plugins because by default you will get it Git and all. So you just choose the first one. Okay. Select double click on that first one. Yes. Click on that. Yeah.
Clicked.
Yeah. Wait. It automatically install all the plugins. Can you again refresh the page? Yes,
Yeah.
it is
Just
working.
loading.
So which means these are all default plugins, okay? So you can see here, Git is there, email extension, GitHub branches, okay? So Ant is there, okay? And so some of known plugins also is there here. Git is there, right? So like that, some by default automatically whenever you click on the first box, automatically by default plugins it automatically install. So let us wait until it finishes.
This is all by default needed plugin is there, na? Lokesh?
Yes. If you want your own plugins, so you can choose second box. Earlier you have seen two boxes, right? Left and right.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to choose your own plugins, only limited plugins if you want, you can choose there itself. So by default, these plugins sometimes it helps, yeah, and get some pipeline plugins are there. So let us install this. It's not mandatory to select by default plugins. Also, it is not mandatory to select a second one. It's up to your requirement. It's up to you. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the purpose of this Jenkins? What is the use? CICD Jenkins is for creating the pipeline. You can make CICD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. Okay. So here there are a lot of advantages are there. Okay. So without your intervention, if you can able to schedule the time automatically, it will trigger your, it automatically trigger your test cases respected time. You can give your name, Tanmay.
Yes.
Okay. Next, password. Easy password. If you can give admin also like that. But you should remember that password. Caps admin. Remember this password, right?
Yes, remember.
Yeah. Yes. Save and continue. Password didn't match. Okay. So no thanks. You can save. Yeah, no problem. Your system will, right? Save, finish. Yes. Start using Jenkins. Okay. This is Jenkins. You can see here left side under logo Jenkins, you can see new item. Also in the middle of the page, you can see create a job. Don't confuse, both are same. Create a job means new item, both are same name. Okay. So you click on create a job and you can click on new item, both are same. Okay. Don't confuse. Create a job in the sense, for suppose, example, you can let us take software development lifecycle. In the software, you have a developer, right? In our project, we have a developer. Once after writing his code, so next thing is what they have to do. They will pass the code into testing. Okay, they will next stage is to do testing whatever they write the code. Correct. After testing, what we have to do? After testing, deployment. Okay. What DevOps team will take care of the deployment and all. Okay. So these are all stages. One after the other should be triggered. Okay. So for suppose, if I can able to create a job here, you can call it as a job or new item, doesn't matter. Okay. I can call it every time. If I can call, that is called as item, job, all or same name. Okay. If I create a job, that means suppose in the first job I'll create a job. Okay, suppose I'll I'll create a job for suppose. That job is for development. I'll create one more job. That job is for testing. I'll create one more job. That job is for deployment. I have a 3 jobs. Okay. So I will connect first job to second job to third job. What happened? First job, whenever a developer do some changes, modifications happens. Okay, automatically after finishing it, for suppose he pushed some code into GitHub. It is connected with the GitHub only. Second job will be connected with the GitHub. Whenever he pushed into GitHub, automatically Jenkins will trigger. Jenkins will sense it. Okay, why? Because we are putting. Can you click on new item or create a job? Anything? Okay, so you just name this is a job one or a development. You can type development. You can keep like that dev job. Keep select a freestyle project. This is for general purpose. Okay, for testing and all we can use freestyle. Click on OK.
Yeah.
Right, you can see here Git. Somewhere you can see Git. Source code management is there, right? No, not that. The below source code management Git. Click on
This
that.
one.
Yes, click on that. Yes, click on radio button. You see here. So your repository URL you can paste here. Okay, in this job you are putting repository URL. Always Jenkins look that is there any kind of changes are happening or not. Immediately whenever the changes happening, whenever the developer pushes code into that Git, automatically this Jenkins trigger. Okay, it will trigger and this job always activate. Okay, so that is the purpose of this. How we got this Git source code management? How we got this in the sense whenever we are trying to install plugins, so the Git is by default. Anyone understood or anybody confused here? Let me take a control. Suppose you can see my screen, right? Are you able to see my screen?
I think my screen is visible now.
1 second. Yeah, I hope this you can see, right? Still, Amni, Hemlata, are you able to see my screen? You can see my screen, right? I can't hear.
No, Lokesh. There are multiple windows. Unable to see the screen, Lokesh.
Okay.
Yeah, Lokesh, your screen is visible now.
Let me do it again. Yeah. Now it is possible, I guess. You can see my screen. Yeah, it is visible, right? Yes. So this is now it is visible, I guess. You do one thing, Tanmay, just take escape button, click on escape button. Whenever you get the control, click on stop sharing screen.
Yeah, I already stopped my sharing.
Okay.
I able to visible your screen.
That's good. That's good. Thanks for confirmation. So the first box is job 1. The second box is job 2. And the third box is job 3. Understood, right? So this is job 1, admin. Okay. Dev job 1. Dev job. Okay. This is dev job. This is testing job. Okay. Underscore job. Next, this is deploy. Okay. 3 stages. Okay. First, initially, these both are connected. These both are connected using Policium. There is an option called Policium. Let's talk about that later because I don't want to confuse you to bring into very deep dive into, Jenkins. Okay. So this is, just imagine this is a, I can take, okay, this box. Okay. This is a developer. What is this? So he is a developer. Okay. He is a developer. This is a system. Just imagine he pushed code into this GitHub. Sorry. You just take this circle. This circle you can consider GitHub. Okay. You can take this here. This is a GitHub. Okay. So always GitHub is connected with every job like this. Okay. So this, whatever the developer is there, this developer always trying to push code into Git. This is a GitHub. This is a GitHub. Okay. Whenever he push the code, first one is job one, right? This job one will get to know that because it is always connected. This Jenkins always look into GitHub. Is there any changes happening or not? Something like this. So what happens? So whenever changes happen, for suppose there is a dot happened. Okay, here he did some change in the code. So again it triggers. The first job triggers. Okay. So next after first job. So what happens? Let us remove this. Let me close. One sec. I remove this. Okay. So like this. Okay. So whenever first job triggers, okay, this developer actually pushed code or done some changes or some modifications happen. Whenever modifications happen in the code, so he will always push the code. End of the day, they should push the code into GitHub, right? Whenever you push the code, developer push the code into this GitHub, so automatically Jenkins trigger. Okay, it triggers to the Jenkins. Jenkins will get to know that okay, there is some changes happened in the code. Okay, immediately it active. Okay, it will again build. Okay, next what happens? Okay, some changes happened. Next, it should test. Okay. Okay, actually build also should be there. Developer, this current job, what happens? It builds. Just imagine some build is happening. Okay. So in the first job, build is happened. Okay, some changes happened. Let us try to build. After building again, next it will go to the test. Okay. So after finishing the build, automatically it will trigger. Once after finishing it, it automatically trigger next job. Okay. So it will also test. After testing, it will deploy. You understood? So this process is happening just because of pipelines. This is called as pipeline. Okay, Jenkins is for that purpose. Jenkins pipeline, we can call this as a Jenkins pipeline. By using Policium, okay, build periodically or we will build using Policium. By using the option called Policium, so we will trigger one after the other. The job will one job finished, next job trigger, next job finished, another job triggers. This happens continuously until it finishes. This is called as Jenkins pipeline. This continuously happens. Okay, that is called as continuous integration. Understood, my dear friends? So this is how it happens actually in the real time also. Any doubts? Okay. So that is the reason. Okay. Now Tanmay, you can share your screen. I'm stopping.
Visible?
Yes,
Lokesh?
it is visible. Yeah. So this is how we actually use, okay, Jenkins. Now go to the click on your Jenkins logo. If you want to go home, you just need to click on the Jenkins logo. Just leave. Click on leave. Okay. So now in Jenkins, first you need to know, that's okay. That is unfinished job. Let's keep like that. So now click on right side top corner. You can see the gear button, right? So that is actually the very important option. Okay. Click on the gear button here. All the features you can able to see here: system, tools, plugins, nodes, cloud, appearance, security, credentials, credential providers, users, system information. All the features are available in the gearbox. Whatever the changes to be happen, or if you want to do any changes happen, you can come click on this gear button and you can come here and do the changes. Okay. So let us do, first of all, you can able to see the plugin here, right? Are you able to see the plugin? Yes. Click on the plugin. So in Jenkins, how Tosca is connecting with the Jenkins in the sense by using plugins. Okay. So you can see left side updates available plugins, installed plugins, right? You can click on available plugins. You just type here somewhere Java, example I'm saying. Click Java, type Java. See here, Java related plugin. One plugin is nothing but one software. Okay, it is lightweight softwares. Okay, you can type any other tool, Selenium or JUnit. See here, Selenium also is there. Okay, you know JUnit, right? JUnit is also testing tool. Okay, next JUnit. Yeah, JUnit also is there. This is sixth one. Yeah, JUnit. So it is there, right? So everything, example DevOps. So for suppose Kubernetes, type Kubernetes KUBERNETES. That is deployment tool. Okay, Kubernetes. You see, Kubernetes also is there. Okay, let us type now Tosca. Okay, type Tosca now. Remove it. Kubernetes. Yeah, you see. Wait. So here Tricent is continuous integration. 1, 2, 3. Third one. Tricent is continuous. Don't click on anywhere. So if you want to install this plugin, you just need to click on that checkbox. Okay. Click on that checkbox. Yeah. See here right side. If it is already installed, you can it will show enable button. If it is not installed, it will show install button. Just click on install. So, Tosca is going to integrate with the Jenkins. Yeah, you can check it. Automatically, it will restart once after finishing it. Yeah, click on checkbox restart Jenkins. It will again ask your details. Just refresh localhost 8080 with the admin and password. It is restarting Jenkins.
Police complaint
Right. So now go to the available plugins. Click on available plugins. Type what is it? Tosca. TOSCA. It is there, right? No.
Not sure now.
Okay. Again, click on installed plugins. Not available. I should copy that code Tosca. Yeah. Now type here Tosca. You should check in the installed plugins. Yeah. So it is showing enabled, which means already installed. Just now you installed it, right?
Yes.
Right. That's good. Now can I think you don't have a server, right? You did not do any deck setup, correct?
No, no.
So guys, everyone just do this Jenkins like this. After that, I will show my system and I'll try to show you how to do it. Clear? Tanmay, if you have decks ready, I would have tried to help you to how to do it. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Let me try to share my screen. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Let me hide this. Okay. Refresh this. Agent view. This should connect actually. Let me cross check again. Oh yes, I'm again extremely sorry. Actually, it should not it should not. I'm sorry for sudden excitation. Actually, someone is getting low battery. Oh, one second, guys. It's my system only. Actually, guys, I forgot one important step actually. So you guys already did this, but you did not recognize it. What is this, guys? You are going to appear, but one simple thing. So whenever you want to do all this step, first of all, you need to go to the TOSCA, go inside TOSCA Tricentis. Okay. System. Clear? You should get the green color here. This one. It is showing the orange color now. Still not activated. It should show the green color. Okay. So let me close this. What is showing? Is it activated? Okay, that's fine. So guys, so now it is showing green color. That's good. Guys, I will show you now. Can you see? You can recognize my mistake now. So refresh agent. Now it will show 111. Can you see? This is a big mistake. Without activate this TOSCA agents, TOSCA distribution agent, you should not try to execute it. Understood, my dear friend? Huh? So next. So now coming to, you see here? Can you see here? I connected with this my system. Earlier it didn't show. It should show like this, right? Must show. It should show like this. Next. Go to the Jenkins. Guys, this is my Jenkins. I will open Jenkins. So let me open Jenkins configuration. What I have done, I'll show you. So nothing, whatever I followed, just you need to follow that only. Nothing is there here. Simply copy this. Guys, I'm putting in the chat. Chat, where is chat? Yes. In the chat, I'm posting. Okay. I posted in the chat. Okay. So let me open. This is a command. What is this command? This command is PowerShell command. Okay. So how you will get in the sense whenever you're trying to create a job, okay, test job, test underscore job, freestyle project. Okay. Here you can see, guys, you no need to touch anything. Just go to the build steps. Build steps in this PowerShell by default, it doesn't show PowerShell. So how you need to get the PowerShell in the sense? So you will get this PowerShell by using plugin. So PowerShell is also a plugin. Okay. So again, go back to the gear icon. Now you can simultaneously check thumbnail. Okay. Go to the here gear icon. Click on plugins. Available plugin and install plugin. In install plugin, you try PowerShell. Tanmay?
Install available plugins or install plugin.
Installed plugins, Tanmay. In installed plugins, you try PowerShell. It doesn't show.
No, it doesn't show.
Yeah, right. So available plugins, I will show PowerShell. So why? Because
Yeah.
so I already installed it. Okay. You guys also need to install PowerShell as a plugin. Okay, let me copy this. Installed, I will show you in the install. 1 second. It is loading. See here, PowerShell plugin. It is already enabled. Can you see? For me, it is enabled. Okay. So this PowerShell plugin is needed for everyone. So then only whenever you install that PowerShell plugin, whenever you open this build step, whenever you are trying to create a job, in that you can see in the build steps, click on build step, click on PowerShell, and you paste here that command, whatever the command which I shared with you guys. Can you see this? This is the one. Okay. This command you paste in the like this. See here, this is the place where you are. What is this, guys? You know, C drive, Dell downloads execution client and TOSCA. So this is again one more thing I forgot. So actually, let me open my GitHub. GitHub I can share with you. So there is a folder, guys, actually. So I searched in the Google. Okay. So this is actually TOSCA execution client main. So this folder is needed. If you extract this folder, you can see this execution client. Okay. In this path only you have to work. Clear? So for that, execution client is there, right? Till here you can see users Dell download execution client. This is a path. Okay, users Dell download execution client. Okay, after that TOSCA execution client PS1. Okay, so first of all you need to extract this. So I will share with you this. Okay, this folder. Actually, I downloaded from the GitHub. Okay, I found in the Git in the public. Okay, so after that, once after doing this. Next, you know already localhost 80. What is this? This is server related. Okay, which means you are connecting with the server. This one. Okay, localhost monitor server. So that is a command. You need to understand the command. You have to use this command TOSCA server one, which is HTTP localhost 80. That is what, right? My server is working on localhost 80, which means we are putting the we are giving command to the PowerShell. Next, what is my project name? Guys, can you see? Common Rio repo actually, but spelling mistake. Rio Dex workspace 1. So where I got this name? Go to your project. What is this? Your project name? Come on, you see? This is the project name only, right? The same project name I mentioned here. Next, events. What is this, my event? Can you see? Go to your events. Take this name. Dex login text, right? Same, right? I need your presence, guys. Is it? Do you understood this command? Yes. Right? This is actually the path where you need to work. Next one is localhost, where your server is connected. Next one is project name. What is the project name? Common repo Dex workspace 1. Last one is events. Your event name. Okay. This is PowerShell command, guys. This PowerShell command, it is not your wish and my wish to keep. This is a format. We need to follow that. Okay. This is how you just simply copy this and change what according to your requirement. Understood? Right? So next one is just simply apply and save. Then after you can see this one job. Okay, let's go back to the home page, just nothing else. After this, you just simply apply and save. You can see this like this. Just simply click on this. Okay, click on this play button, or you can drop down this and build now. Right? Next, go to the, click on this again. Okay, you can see here it is building. Okay, it is building. Can you see here console output? You can see what is happening here, console output. So every step in the Jenkins, every step it will show. Whatever you are testing in the TOSCA, whatever you are trying to test, the same you can able to see here, but you could not able to see the test result here. Test results you could see in the execution list only. Okay, so here you can ask me what is the Jenkins, what is the use Jenkins in the sense. I'll also show you that advantage. Without your intervention, once if you give the timings, automatically it will trigger your test case every time. Example, I'll tell you. See this success. It is success. Let's go back to the server. Where is your server, guys? Can you see here test events? See this? These many time. What is the time now? 7:50. Can you see here my time here right side below corner 7:51. Understood? So how it is happening? Just it is happening by using Jenkins only. Understood, my dear friends? So whenever it runs, automatically it is opening every. So this is one. Amazon link is opening just because of Jenkins. Okay. So again I will go back to the console. Here you can see. So click on this. Every 1 minute it will open. Let me again open configure. Let's configure. See here. So what is this build periodically? I said right. Build periodically nothing but every 1 second. Okay, every 5 seconds or 1 second. If you want to put particular time, okay, it will trigger at the time. You no need to click on. You no need to execute. You don't need to execute. You don't need to run any test case. Automatically, whenever you put your time, according to this time, it will trigger. I will show you. Okay. Let me keep eye on this. Just keep eye on this. So now every minute, every 5 seconds, I'm 5 minutes or 5 seconds I mentioned. Okay. So you can also see here in the, what is this edge automatically every time whenever it executes, it will open this new tab. Every time it will run. Whenever it runs, automatically it will open in the new tab. Okay. Let me close this also. Let's close this. Close browser. Let us wait.
Tanmay, can you go on mute, please? Tanmay.
Let us keep here one. I'll keep just one. Every 1 minute, it will trigger. Save. Can you see this, guys? I did not do anything. Right? Automatically it is triggering. So when I'll just click on this and go to the console output, which is running, right? So where it is working, can you see here? If you doubt me, you can see here. Program Jenkins, workspace execution list, execution client. Correct? The place where TOSCA execution client is there. This is what. Okay. Can you see here? Starting TOSCA execution client. Okay. Client ID, secret ID is provided. Continue with authentication. Every step is which is checking with the TOSCA. Successfully encrypted execution with so and so ID. Okay. It is trying to. Can you see this? It is opened. Only I did not open, guys. It is automatically it is opened. So you can keep here Open this. You see, test got passed. Okay. I'll again go back to Jenkins. Click on Jenkins. Every 1 minute it will run. So it will also trigger one more time. After finishing one minute, it will again trigger. Whenever it triggers, automatically. So let me I'll do one thing. So this is also not required. This is required. I'll put here. So here, this is here. Okay. So next, where is, this is Jenkins. Here. This is not required right now. 1 minute. Let me go here. Yeah. I can keep this one here. Okay. You see, agent. You can see, guys, now this minute has passed. Let us go back to the Jenkins. Here, execution client. Here it is not, nothing is there right now. So after few seconds or 1 minute, it will open. Automatically it will trigger. So actually I just opened it once if I tried. So once if you keep the build periodically, so without your intervention, according to the time, automatically it will triggers these many times. If you keep it, it automatically continuously it happens daily. Okay, without your intervention, without your efforts, Jenkins can take care triggering the execution your TOSCA. Understood, my dear friend? Right? So whenever it triggers, automatically it will show here. If you want, you can do it manual also, but no need. Let's wait until it triggers. Just Jenkins execution configure. I'll show you. I'll explain you one thing. So I mentioned build periodically. Build periodically. Periodically means time. So I mentioned time. Okay. Build periodically using cron job. Okay, that is called as cron job. That we can call it as a cron job. So okay, let me open in the physically. Can you see this, guys? Better I can show this. I think better I can zoom this. You can see this, right? Can you see? Is it clear? Not clear. It is not clear. Huh? I can click on this. Better it will open. So can you able to see that picture? Is that picture? No, it is not showing picture. I want picture. Now is it clear, guys? This one. See here. Total 5 stars we have. Star 1, star 2, star 3, star 4, star 5. First star represents minutes. Second star represents hours. Third star represents day. Fourth star represents month. Okay. And fifth star is day. So what I mentioned? 0 to 59 minutes. What was I mentioned? 1. Right? Okay. So here we just go to the Jenkins duplicate. Click on Jenkins. Click on execution list. Configure. Let me keep here. Justify. Apply and save. So this is called as cron job. Okay. So Jenkins schedule format is nothing but cron schedule expression. It contains 5 fields, which means 5 stars. Asterisk some people call. First one is minute, second one is hours, third one is day, fourth one is month, and last one is weeks. Okay. So if you want to trigger 1 hour, you can take second one. If you want to trigger it third one, if you keep third one, if you want to keep it after 1 day, you can keep 1. Okay. Here in third one, you need to mention like that. Okay. Next, you want to keep in days, you can keep in last one. You can keep /1, which means 1 day. After 1 day, it will trigger. Okay. So like that also you can use. Example, I'll show you here. So whenever I trigger here intentionally, so can you see here? Now you try to observe. Execution list. Can you see here right left side, guys? It is triggered or not? Click on console output. Can you see? Here, this is a console output. So here it is actually going, and left side you can see it is testing DEX login test. Okay, this is actually it is executing the execution list in our test TOSCA. Understood, guys? Now you can ask me any doubts, guys, here. So maybe if I am not available, you do not you should not confuse. See here, test got passed. What happened here? So I'll also intentionally one more time I'll do. So whenever you trigger this job, what happens here left side? It is actually triggering, which means it is running in the test event view in the local server. It got triggered, and which is showing it intentionally. Whenever I triggered here, automatically this test events got triggered, and it is actually running in the big background. Okay. The result is which is showing in the monitor, localhost monitor, and whenever it test passes, it automatically opens. Second one, two Amazon shoppings only I have. See here, third one it is opened. After that, it will get passed. Your test got passed. Understood, guys? Are you really understood or not? Right? One test got passed. You see the time 8:03. Now time is 8:04. Right? So this is how Jenkins works. You have any doubts? If you have any silly doubt also, don't worry, guys. Please try to ask me. Are you there? Anybody is there? I'm talking myself. Can you see this, guys? I didn't do this.
Yes.
Automatically triggered. I didn't do this. I'm just asking. I'm talking with you. It is triggering. So if I keep like this, automatically you can get continuously it happens. The process will happen. Just wait, patience. Just keep some patience and try to watch this. Just for a while. You see, it is opened one more window, and you can see here test got passed. So you no need to go into the TOSCA commander. You no need to run the scratchbook. You no need to go inside execution list. You no need to run this anything. Okay. Simply everything, if you set up one time setup, automatically Jenkins will take care of everything. So now you can ask me the questions. Hmm? Anybody with me? Anybody have any issues? Anybody have doubts? Anybody didn't understand? Please ask me. Wherever you have doubts, I will explain you, because classes are finished. This is very important topic. Recently, one of my friend only attended. They questioned a lot on top of this topic. That is the reason I took it personally and I was trying to explaining you. This is dead easy for me because I already worked on DevOps. Okay. If you have any issues, questions, doubts, ask me. This is important topic nowadays. If you are advanced or not, they are checking with the, are you guys really having knowledge on DEX with the Jenkins CICD setup or not? If you have knowledge, you should explain well. How you need to explain well? First of all, you should be aware of DEX setup. Correct? Once after getting this setup, next you need to idea about Jenkins. How you need to do this, guys. So in the Zoom chat, I am putting, where is Zoom chat? This is Zoom only. All right. So chat, I'm going to upload a folder, okay? This folder, where is that? Downloads. Yes. Can anyone receive this? Can you see? I hope you received all. Tanmay, you got it?
Yes, got it downloaded.
That you just extract it and install it. Okay. Keep in. So with that poll, why I'm showing you guys here, whenever you try to extract this, okay, in this place only you have to work on. In this place only it will work. Some TOSCA execution client is there, right? This is what. So where it is working, by taking help of this. So in the execution folder, can you see, click on execution client? Okay. So whenever you go to configure, so in the PowerShell, the command you can see, in the command, you can see here, where is the place? TOSCA execution client. Okay, this is a path. This path only it will work. Where whatever you run, okay, it should work on there only. Okay. So I'll also share if time permits. Can you see this, guys? I'm doing Excel something different. Automatically it is triggered. Can you see? 5 minutes it is taking. I mentioned 5 minutes, I guess. Maybe. That is the reason after 5 minutes it is triggered. Can you see? After 5 minutes it's triggered. It is working. See, another tab is opened. Understood, my dear friends? So in this place, I just only mentioned open URL. Instead of putting this, if you want to keep entire example login is there or register is there or anything, some other test case, it will perform whole. It will perform entire execution. It will perform entire test case. It will execute entire test case. Okay. So this is the command. Using this command, why it is required in the sense, whatever I uploaded this test execution client, this test execution client, the place, the path where it is there, in that path only it will execute. Okay. So that is the purpose. You need to download that. Okay. I'll also, if time permits, I'll also share the document. Clear? Understood, right? So this is how it works. So if you again try to manually, you can able to trigger build schedule in the execution client. You can see here again console output. It is trying to work. See, it is showing here again. So if I don't close this my servers and TOSCA commander, if I keep it open, so continuously every 5 minutes it triggers automatically. Okay, every 5 minutes it will trigger and it will run continuously like this. Execution client configure. I'm trying to put some less time, but I don't know. Let me try to keep, instead of 5, I'll keep 2. Apply and save. Let's see. I think this is 8:11. Sorry, 8:12. Let's see 8:14. Okay. So we can also close this. You can see next tab. Once if it is executed, once if it is triggered, Jenkins triggers automatically test events. In the test events monitor, you can able to see that whether this, how it is, whether it is passed or failed or anything, you can monitor. That is purpose of monitor only. Monitor purpose is to check whether the execution is failed or not. That is purpose of it. Okay. So let me put it aside. Let's see that. 8:14. Just 2 minutes, guys. After this, we can close. Guys, any doubts? Ask me. I'll not be available later. That's why. Nagesh, you understood? Are you speaking in mute or what?
Lokesh, that DEX server installing via TOSCA server only, na? This DEX.
Which one? Dex, you mean? Yeah, Dex is nothing but TOSCA only, TOSCA server only. See here, if you go to the cloud, local host, so whenever you in the dashboard, you can see Dex, distributed execution, tested data management. We already had discussion on this test data management, right? So this is TDS. I'm saying this is TDS and this is distribution execution. If you go inside distribution execution, it will open like this. See here, what is the time now? 8:13. 8:11 it got triggered. Now it is continuously happening. So it is opened again. After 2 minutes, again it will trigger. Continuous process. This is called as continuous integration. Can you see why it is not, why it is showing in the sense? It is continuous integration. Why people are calling continuous integration? I mean, continuously it happens. That is the reason continuous integration. Okay. If it is involved with the deployment, continuous deployment, continuous integration with continuous deployment. That is called as CICD, continuous integration and deployment. I think for DEX, you guys have 2 classes. Okay, first class, maybe second, you just follow second class, okay? First class, initial setups are there. In the second class, you have a result. Maybe this is lengthy class, but it is very useful. Okay? See guys, 90th one, it is triggered. I didn't do anything. I'll share with you document better that might helpful for you. Other people maybe missed. Only few guys are joined. Not sure why. Even after follow-ups, plenty follow-ups, only you guys joined. See this? One more time it is opened. You'll get it here. Test pass. I'm just waiting for another. If build failures, it will show like this. You can see in the console output. See here, one more also triggered. I'll show you console output for failure. You can see whatever it happened, it will show every step. Can you see? Finished. Failure. Okay. Successful output also you can see. Okay. You can also download the output. Okay. So latest one already it is triggered and it is happening. 91. So every 2 minutes it is happening. Every 2 minutes it's triggering and it is continuously it is executing execution list. Whatever execution list which is there inside the TOSCA, the same execution list inside the test events is triggering. What is that? Amazon. What is that? You can also see here. Amazon. It is open. Can you see here? In this? Yes. Logs also there. There are logs in this. Amazon test case. Go inside test case. Amazon. What is the open URL? What is the URL? Can you see? The URL. Same Amazon. Correct or wrong? Understood, right? So this is how it happens. So that's it from my end, guys. So that's it from my end. If you have any doubts, we can discuss. Else, we can wrap up. I hope this helps.
As of now, no doubt, Lokesh.
Okay, do configuration. Okay, do config.
Yeah.
Try to do it. So whenever you get doubts, just keep post me. A related document. I'll try to make a document and I'll share with you. Okay. On top of this, I need to write every step, right? So that's why.
Yeah.
Okay. And Nagesh, you understood? Nagesh, are you with me? Yamini, are you with me? All right, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Okay, just do practice continuously. Do practice. If you get any doubt, just ping me. If I am available, we can help you. Okay. Right. Thank you so much for your time. Keep in touch, guys. One request. I can share review link. Can you help me on that?
Can you repeat, Lokesh?
I'm saying actually, our institute actually collecting the reviews. Can I share the link over our group or individually? So can you give a review or? So I'm actually saying that actually we are collecting reviews. I'm asking, can you give review? Good review. Google reviews, I guess that one.
Lokesh, what about any update regarding placement?
Come again?
Any update regarding placement?
Placements actually, they're saying whatever, maybe placements in the sense if they get any updates on top of any openings, any related companies of any of maybe any updates related to TOSCA, maybe some Cognizant or Infosys or anything, okay, Deloitte or any openings, they will get to know in their contact list. Okay, maybe they are also associated some companies. If they will get to know anything, they'll keep posted. They'll give you first priority to us only. Okay, they will inform me. I'll also share with you. And also when I'm
Because
going through a lot of social media also, whenever I'll find, I'll also sharing. Yesterday I posted something.
yes, yes.
Got it?
Because I called today that admin department, I
Okay.
asking for the placement. So they said we are not providing placement. We are providing only training. Whenever we need a requirement at that time. Otherwise, we are not providing placement.
Yeah,
She
placement,
said
they are
like
not,
this.
they are saying placement assistant in the sense they'll help you where the positions are available. Okay, yesterday I also shared with you one link, right? Maybe I found somewhere. So you just keep, guys. My suggestion is don't depend on any institutes. Okay, you guys try to do every whenever you wake up early in the morning, 6 o'clock till 9 o'clock. Okay, maybe you just take from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Just sit together. Okay, initially I'll help you. Don't worry. Okay, I'll also keep posting you. So you just do a simple one thing. You just wake up at 6 o'clock, open LinkedIn, open Indeed, open Naukri. Just try to update your resume with your respected name or your surname or your phone number. Do changes sometimes. Phone number. Do change your surname. Okay, just jumble names like that. So every day try to do some change. Okay, then automatically your profile will be in the active list. Okay, so and also try to apply easy apply fast. Okay, first you just do preference for easy apply, and company apply also will be there in Naukri. Just take tabs, everything recent, maybe 2 weeks till 2 weeks. You just try to open all the tabs and try to apply first easy apply. Okay, easy apply. After finishing easy apply, you just take time, some time, and apply in the respected company websites. So then what happens is, so whenever you do so, you will get multiple calls. I'm sure, I'm very much pretty sure about this. You will get multiple calls. Okay, if you do so continuously, you will get more calls through Indeed, through Naukri, and also through like this LinkedIn. Okay, in LinkedIn, some people will post in the messages. Okay, so you'll find in the search box you'll find Tosca jobs. Okay, recent posted postings. You just copy the recent postings, copy email ID, and keep some cover letter. Okay, just email them. If you follow this, definitely you will get more calls. No doubt in that. Understood? Okay. So in my knowledge, if there is an openings, definitely I post. Yesterday I posted. Have you seen that? Okay. So I'll post. I'll keep post. I think see this in the chat. See, yesterday I posted. So like this. So I message in the group, you can check. So continuously triggering, guys, like this it happens. Clear? Okay. Thank you, Tanmay. Thank you, Nagesh and Amni,
Thank you,
for joining
Lokesh.
today. So this really helps a lot. I'm showing. I'm very much sure. I'm pretty sure about this. CICD Jenkins are important, and DEX setup is important. Okay. Whenever they are trying to asking too much deep, okay, wherever you are very much stronger, please try to pull them into your topic. Okay. So if for suppose you are very much strong in suppose Jenkins or Dex, just pull them into Jex. So and so somewhere actually I'm very much stronger in this. Actually, I have worked on recent project with this Dex setup. I got opportunity to do this. Actually, recently they also started doing this to automate using integration. Okay, TOSCA integration with the Jenkins. You can cover, okay, like that. Wherever your strong point, you just find out. So you just try to pull them into your premises, your territory. That is some tactics we need to follow. Right? Thank you all. We'll see in next. If any doubts, you just ping me. Okay. I wish
Yes,
you
sure,
good luck.
Lokesh.
And the next one is actually you just ping me when your availability, according to your availability time on Saturday, I will fix mock interview. Okay. So if you guys not yet prepared, just let me know whenever you are available. So then in that particular time, I will free myself. I'll free myself. Okay. I'll make myself free and I'll try to connect with you and let us start workout on mock interview. Then you can identify your skills, how much skill you have. So then accordingly you can speed up your, or you can try to find out where are the gaps you have, where are the issues you have. So this is how, if you can work out, definitely you will get it. Right? So keep post me when your availability time, then according to that I can able to schedule mock interview. Understood?
Yes,
Right.
Lokesh, sure.
Right, guys. Right, Tanmay. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you, Nagesh and Amni. Take care. Bye bye. Yeah.